Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today, the roof decking is complete. With the framing almost complete, today was the day for ground-based videography. Plumbing was being delivered, and the remaining exterior boards were being put into place. The boards were being cut and then delivered to the second level with ropes. There was always one worker who wore a hard hat throughout the entire operation. He was the one person who was always at the bottom securing the materials to be delivered to the higher levels. With all the work that was being completed, the site was filled with trash. It was about time to call the workers back to come clear it. Until then, I was reviewing the work that was completed on the rear of the home with the framing of the sunroom, master deck, and deck. From there, I went inside to review the framing that had been completed. The framing would soon be covered with plumbing pipes, electrical boxes, and wires, and air ducts. The ductwork was delivered and ready to be installed. The main plumbing for the water heater had been installed while I was filming the framing and the decking of the exterior. With all of my concentration capturing the exterior, I did not realize all of the interior work that had been completed. Now it was time to find the places inside so that I could film the rooms being built. Plumbing pipes and fixtures had also been delivered and were ready to be installed. From this point on, I'll be starting to identify the rooms individually. The house was ready to be completed, and the materials had been delivered in the front yard. It was incredible to me how fast the house had gotten to this point. Looking around, it was time for trash pickup. Sure hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe and share, and visit our website, droneeducationservices.com, for more materials and special features.